Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video, I'm going to be doing an influencer unboxing of a Givenchy product. I am super excited. I have done quite a few influencer unboxings already on my channel, and I will link those down below if you're interested in seeing some of the past things that I have received. I am super pumped to open this up. The only thing I really know is that it is a lip product, so I can't wait to see what it is because I don't have any Givenchy lip products as far as I know. I'm pretty sure I don't. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, you guys, so jumping into this video, like I mentioned in the intro, I'm gonna have all of my previous influencer unboxings linked down below for you guys. So do check those out if you're curious about things that I've gotten in the past, so you can kind of get an idea of the things you could also receive if you're interested in joining influencer. And also, in those videos, I do kind of dive into influencer as a whole a little bit more. So if you want to know how it works and things like that, I will put asterisks by the videos in which I deep dive into that. I'm not going to do it in today's video because it just makes the video a little longer, and I just kind of want this one to be quick and to the point. But I highly encourage you to watch those videos if you're interested in influencer, and to join it if you want to, because it's free, it's easy, and it's a fun way to try out new products, beauty and non-beauty related. So either way, we're going to go ahead and jump into this little unboxing. Like I said, it's a Givenchy lip product. That's all that I know. And so I literally got the box today, and I knew I was going to get the box maybe like 3 days ago. So it shipped really fast, which I love. So opening up the box, this is what it looks like. I have a card detailing the product and some of the things I'm supposed to do for it. I have this mini perfume sample, which I don't know if I'm supposed to review or not or what, but I'll find out eventually. And then the lip product itself. So we're just gonna set this aside really fast. And the card says something about just enjoying a sample of this fragrance. So like I said, I don't know if I'm supposed to review it, but I'll test it out while we're here because, you know, why not? So it says, this is a sample of the new Flower by Kenzo, a sophisticated spicy floral fragrance that offers a bouquet of orange blossom and its precious saffron accents that are enveloped in sensual vanilla. So I'm interested to see what this smells like. If this is the actual bottle of the product right there, it is really pretty. Look at that. I love me good little samples like this, you guys. I get them from Sephora all the time when you get like free samples with stuff. To me, things like this are the best way to try out a fragrance. They're great to take on vacation to check out some stuff, and I'm all about it. So we're going to see, I won't lie, when I see, oh, it says infusion of saffron, Absolute de Rose. Oh my god, I hate roses. So this is gonna be interesting, but I'm gonna give it a try for you guys. I wish I could like smell it from in here. Let me just. Alright, so I'm just gonna let this kind of marinate on my skin and do its thing while I try out the actual thing that I'm here to be testing out. And I'll kind of give you like a roundup on my thoughts, because the longer it sits on my skin, the more notes that are coming through. So I just want to give it a fair shot. So we're going to jump into the actual reason I got this box. And this is the Givenchy Rose Perfecto 24-hour hydration natural glow lip balm. Mine is in the shade 117 chilling brown. And when I look on Sephora, because I was trying to see what was going on, it is looking like you're getting 0.09 ounces or 2.8 grams, and this retails for $37. It is a skincare infused colored lip balm made with 95% natural origin ingredients to nourish, visibly plump and smooth the lips with up to 24 hours of hydration. The formula type is lip balm or treatment, so I don't expect it to have very, very high color payoff. The benefits are hydrating, long wearing, and plumping. I don't know how you're gonna get long wearing out of a lip balm, but okay. Highlighted ingredients: hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, shea butter, and pink pepper extract. It says what else you need to know. 9 marble shades combine skincare ingredients with a sheer wash of color to deliver a hydrating, soothing finish on the lips and up to 8 hours of plumping effect. Interesting, huh? I do not like lip plumpers at all, so I'm interested to see how this will do on my skin. This is what the product looks like. It does have a little bit of weight to it for a lip balm. It's not as heavy as if it were a lipstick, but it does feel a little bit heavy, and this is what the packaging looks like. It's very sleek, very fancy looking. I like it. I wonder, ooh, okay, so like the little things down here, like the little metal pieces, they clip in. Oh, interesting. And then this is what the product looks like. I can't really see it, I won't lie, because the camera lights are kind of blinding me, but in the camera, it looks really pretty. It feels very luxurious, which I would hope it would for $37. Let's just go ahead while I'm here, and we'll do a little hand swatch once the camera focuses. So that's what we're looking like. Pretty much kind of what I figured it would be. It's got like a nice, pretty looking sheen to it, and then a nice like nude, and I would say coffee color seems pretty good. So I'm excited to try this on the lips. This is nice. I think it feels really good on the lips. I do like the shape of the lip product because it feels like it's kind of like hugging the outside of my lips really nice. I definitely think my makeup is a little much for the lip product, but it's a very pretty color. Like, I actually don't think it looks bad with what I've got going on. It looks nice. It feels really, really smooth, like just lips gliding together like butter. Oh, I was about to say, I don't understand what it means plumping, but my lips are starting to tingle. So, like I said, I hate, triple hate, loathe plumping lip products. I hate them. I don't think they really do anything for the lips. I don't like it when my lips feel tingly. I don't like to notice my lips, if that makes sense. Like, I am so anal about my lip products, just almost like nothing's on the lips, so I don't like knowing something's on my mouth and it is giving me a little tingle. Now, it is not tingling bad by any means. Like, I'm not over here like, oh my gosh, I need to take it off, like I imagine sometimes like the Too Faced like lip injection kind of things are. It's got like just a little something, so I highly doubt it's gonna do anything to my mouth in general, but it's really pretty. All right, and because this was such an easy product to review, I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into my final thoughts. For me, this is not something that I would personally buy or reach for a ton in my collection. Couple of reasons. One, I first and foremost above anything else am a liquid lipstick lover. I like to put on a lip product and literally not have to take it with me. I just want to be out the door and done. Obviously something like this is not going to give you that same effect. It is going to wear off much easier than a liquid lipstick, and so for that reason this isn't something that I would gravitate towards in general. As far as like lip balms go, because of course I do wear lip balms on the occasion, on like running around town and just kind of like a day-to-day kind of a thing, but I prefer something along the lines of like the Laneige glowy lip balms or their sleeping mask for my lip products like that. And I have some things similar to this that beat out for me, which are like the Marc Jacobs. This is the Enamored Hydrating Lip Gloss Stick. So this gives me more color payoff than this. This is going to be more up my alley as far as what I'm looking for in regards to something that is most similar to this. For me, I think $37 is a lot of money to spend on something that is a glorified chapstick, in my personal opinion, for me and my taste. Is the product nice? Yes. I think it feels so good on the lips. Even now, that tingling sensation is already dying down, so I can even look past that as far as like me wearing it because I have it. I don't feel the need to just like get rid of it and throw it away. And it does have a decent color payoff, but obviously it is very sheer, so it depends on what you want to do on like a day-to-day basis. Would I recommend this to you guys? Yes. but that is if you are someone who doesn't really like the feel of liquid lipsticks, you don't want your lips to feel dry. If you're looking for something with just a little bit of color and you like plumping lip products, then I think you would like it. I think it is for a certain type of someone. Just for me personally, I wouldn't go spend my money on it. So you guys have to let me know if you've tried this or if you are someone who is interested in something like this. I do really like the packaging. Like, I think it looks luxe, it looks expensive. Like I said, it's a little weighty. I do like the packaging. I like the marble look of it, and I do like how it's supposed to help your lips in the long run. So I think there are good benefits to it. It's just not something that's like necessarily my cup of tea for everyday wear. I am gonna keep it. I am gonna use it because, girl, it's Givenchy. What do I look like? I'm gonna wear it. But it's just definitely, especially for more of a toned down makeup look than I got going on right now. But I won't lie, the more I look at myself, the more I don't hate it. So maybe I'm talking too quickly there. But yeah, not something I'm gonna spend $37 on, but I do think it's a solid product if you are someone who is interested in what this is specifically offering. Now, real quick before I finish out this video, I'm gonna pop back over to this perfume. I can't get past the powdery notes. It definitely smells like a powder that my Nana has this big, like, it looks like a tortoise shell. You guys know what I'm talking about. It's like a big powder bowl with like the biggest powder puff you've ever seen. And she uses it when she gets out the shower. And when I was little and my sister and my cousin was little and we would all get out the shower at my Nana's house, like the first thing you did once she dried you off was like pat this powder all over your body. That is what it smells like to me a little bit. So that's why it smells like my Nana. Not necessarily the perfume she was wearing like I was saying earlier, but because of that powder stuff that I recall using at her house. So I like it for that reason. The floral notes are very, very light. You guys know I hate the smell of rose anything, and I'm not picking that up here. So I like that I don't smell that. I do agree with my mother in saying that I would not wear this as a nighttime perfume. This definitely is more of like a daytime perfume. It is giving off like a pretty heavy fragrance, but not in a nighttime type of way. As for me, like, would I like get this in like a big bottle and wear it? No, it definitely doesn't smell like me. I am someone that prefers more like musky, kind of masculine, warm scents, and this isn't really giving it to me. I'm surprised that I even kind of like it at all because I hate powdery scents as well. I think it's just kind of because it reminds me of something from when I was little, which is why I don't mind it. But like, I wouldn't reach out for it and like spend however much it would be for the perfumes. Anyways, you guys, that is going to be all for today's video. I would love to know your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section below. Have you tried either of these products? Would you try either of these products? Let me know. What do you think of the shade that I got? I'm super excited to continue to wear it, but like I said, I'm super excited that I didn't have to spend my own coin on it. I won't lie to you. So yeah, you guys, as always, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you did enjoy it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on my other socials linked down below, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!